finally got another one.
What's good, gang? What's good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Shay Finesse. Bye, Finesse. Welcome back. All right, so I didn't forget y'all like epoxy lovers and art lovers. I'm still doing that on top of doing my Vlogmas for the month. So I'm gonna be dropping so much content this month alone because one, this is the end of the year. Two, I was motivated by my favorite YouTuber, Corey, to post more videos. So y'all know my motivation about to be going crazy. And not to mention, I got to do my epoxy videos and the Christmas Vlogmas videos. So I'm almost at that threshold of posting my first 100 videos in a year, which is crazy because I just started a month ago. I started a month ago. Like, if y'all go look at my oldest videos, I only been on the platform for a month. But if y'all really know me, I've been on a platform for years. My channel's been taken down. But it's okay. That just motivates me to work harder and to get better and learn from my mistakes. But like I said, I've only been on this platform for a month as by Finesse. And I got about 81 videos posted already on my channel. And my goal is to actually post 100. That way, in 2026, I can start off posting another 100 for the year. Which, if I can post 100 videos in a month, you know how crazy my channel about to go? Like, if I can post 100 videos, listen to me. If I can post 100 videos in 1 month, my next year, what's that? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's what, 1,200 new videos? 1,200 new videos. You feel me? 1,200 new videos next year if I can post 100 videos in a month. Do y'all understand that math? Do y'all understand that math? Do y'all understand that math? Like, who you know that's new to YouTube and been posting, hold on, baby, and been posting like crazy like me? Who you know that's new to YouTube and been posting crazy like me? Let's try to hit that goal of 1,200 videos in a year. You know how the grind gonna be crazy? It's gonna go crazy. And y'all know I'm trying to get monetized. My bad, y'all. My bad. The grind don't stop. It don't stop. So, without further ado, I don't want to talk y'all head off. Today, we gonna be doing the Bart. Now, y'all can see I've already started on the outline. I cleaned it up. And all I got to do is paint it and epoxy it and then post it. That's my goal, is to do this Bart. So today I'm going to be working on this Bart. I'm going to be painting this Bart, getting that over with. And then we're going to move on to the next one. I do got more projects to come. By the way, I'm still working on this. This is my Bandit, my masked up Bandit. I still got Rick and Morty that I have to do for the doors. I gotta do Homer for my bedroom. And last but not least, for this collection, the Cheeto sign for the kitchen. Now, these are the artwork that I have left from those 2 big boards. Now, mind you, I've been working up. I've been cooking up in the kitchen. I've been cooking up some crazy artwork to add to my gallery. So remember, all this is, you guys can buy this. I have sold some stuff. I sold my Scat Pack. I sold a Hello Kitty with the grill. So you know I'm about to do another one But this is going to be a full-size Hello Kitty, not just the base. It's going to be a full-size Hello Kitty showing the grill. I'm not just doing the Scat Pack. I'm going to do the Scat Pack, a Hellcat, and a Lambo, a Urus. Those are my 3 videos. Those are my 3 new ones. The Scat Pack, the Hellcat, and the Urus. Those are my 3 new cars. And I'm doing the Hello Kitty grill. And then I got some more content. Some more cars / hype beast collaboration coming up. So y'all better watch it, girl. Not to mention I got another dollar coming up. I was inspired to do a Simpsons, a Simpsons dollar, which I already got Mr. Barnes, but I want to do another Simpsons dollar. This time it's gonna have either Homer or Marge on it. I'm doing a Simpsons dollar. I'm doing a SpongeBob dollar with Mr. Krabs on it, and I was told to do a Richie Rich dollar. So those gonna be some big projects to do too. That's gonna be coming up soon. That's not gonna be my next collaboration. It might be my next collaboration. I don't know yet, cause I still gotta. Since I made money off those artwork, I need to put more into my stuff. So coming soon, I gotta go pick up some more boards, and we're gonna do some more creating DIYs. We're gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. I'm super excited. But I don't want to talk y'all head off because y'all didn't come for that. Y'all came for this art. So let's get to it. All right, gang. So I'm finished with the paint job. How that's looking. Time to get to the resin. Epoxy. As y'all can see, Bart is completely dry. And I got the epoxy already ready to mixed. So let's get to it.
Okay, Mommy.
Hmm?
We're doing, Mommy.
What? Who? Yeah, he's in there. Put this over here. So I'll just mix all of this stuff. I like to use my hands, y'all, because I don't be missing any parts when I use my hand or my fingers. The hell going on there? What is that, a cat? Whatever it is, it's fucking it up. A dog, cat, gerbil. Y'all hear it? What's that noise? It's gotten louder. It's messing with the neighbors, though. I think I put enough on Bart. Jesus. I wanted to put enough so it won't have any bubbles, but I don't think it's gonna have any bubbles. I put just enough. Yeah, this is like just enough. Yeah, just enough. Okay, I think it's good. Make sure it's on the edge right. Okay. Yeah, shit. What y'all think? Ooh. Bart looking spiffy. Make sure I got it on here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that hit. That hit. That's crazy. Guys, so it's the next day, and I had to pull everything from outside because I watched some videos, and it was saying that when I put the epoxy on, it gotta be in like a temperature room, like an insulated room. It can't be in the cold, it can't be in the rain, like our temperature, like 75 type stuff, 74. It had to be in that type of room. So what I did is I brought the Bart in and I put it in, where did I put the Bart? I put the Bart in here because I put the Cheeto one in there. But I'm going to show y'all how it actually came out. It came out really good. So this is what we looking at, y'all. That's lit. I'm not even going to lie to you. That explains the swirls that I have on the Super Mario. This came out really good. I added just enough epoxy. I mixed it the right way. You don't see no swirls. I don't got no bugs, nothing. Now, the only bad thing is when I sat it on the wood, the epoxy was dripping. So it got stuck on another piece of wood, so I had to break it off. But as of, I mean, it ain't like this is getting sold. This is going in my son's bathroom. And then the ones that are getting sold, I know what to do now. But this looks really good, y'all. Like, I can't wait to do the video where I'm walking y'all around my house and y'all see all my artwork on my wall. Right now, I ain't got nothing on none of my walls. But I have so much space. Like, my artwork gonna be crazy. Like, as soon as you walk in my house, it's gonna look like a gallery. I'm gonna have artwork here. I'm gonna have a big artwork right there. I'm gonna have artwork in the bathroom, artwork in my bedroom, over my bed. I'm gonna have a big piece right there over the couch. I'm gonna have artwork coming down the hallway, in the kitchen. Like, I'm even gonna have artwork outside. It's gonna be like smoker artwork though. You know what I mean? Like, I'm telling you, this is lit. I don't care what nobody say. I rate this as a full 10. If it didn't get stuck to the other wood, yeah. But like, I think Cody would really like this. I know my best friend want one so bad. I'm gonna have to do him one too. But I like it. I like it, gang. I gotta get a thumbnail though. How about that? Yeah. Nice little thumbnail. I love y'all, gang. Thank y'all for the support. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below. And throw me some ideas on what y'all want me to do, because I'm getting in my creative bag. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna go crazy. These next few that I want to go pick up, I can't really tell y'all everything, but I do got like probably 20 new collections that's coming. 20 new ones. So I decided I'm gonna put 10 on one board and another 10 on another board. So I'm telling y'all, let me know what y'all want to see, and I'm gonna put it on there because I've been looking at a lot of guys that's doing this type of cutout stuff, and I keep seeing the same thing. I see crosses. I see cause characters. I see like small grill images. Like, y'all gotta be more creative. I want to see different stuff. Like, y'all need to show me show me some UV art, some cutout epoxy art. I want to see that. Like, I really want to do it, but I think it's just gonna look stupid if I did it. I might have to do just one UV artwork and see how it come out. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Like, Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon, what? I don't even know. But I hope y'all liked all of that. I still got my Vlogmas videos coming up, y'all. Don't worry about it. I'm just trying to drop these videos and the Vlogmas videos all at once. And then I'm gonna be dropping 3 Vlogmas videos a day to catch up to the actual day it is. So it is the, damn, what's going on with my phone? It is the 11th, so I'm going to be dropping 3 videos until I hit the 11th day of Christmas Vlogmas video. But I do got 3 Vlogmas videos that I'm doing today. So I love y'all, gang. I'm out. Peace.
My nigga Johnny got another one.